Picture this, you're at your kid's game, cheering in the stand, and while you're there, your business just made a sale. That's not a dream. That's what automation makes possible. If you're tired of feeling like your business is stealing all your family time, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to automate your online business so you can work just 2 hours a day and still keep things running in the background while you live life. If we haven't met, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4. You know what it feels like to juggle family, work, and still want something of your own. Something to leave a legacy for your family. That's why I'm so passionate about showing other moms and dads how to create income online without sacrificing the moments that matter most. Most people that start an online business end up feeling overwhelmed, hustling on social media, answering emails late at night, trying to keep up with every trend, and eventually they burn out. Automation changes everything. Instead of creating a job for yourself, you build systems that do the heavy lifting. More freedom, less stress, and a business that runs with or without you. Starting from scratch can take months or years. That's why I recommend using a DFY or done for you business, one where the products, systems, and delivery are already built in. Here's what to look for in a good one. High quality digital products like courses, templates, or ebooks. Proven track record of sales. Automated delivery so customers get instant access and 100% profit for you. This way, you don't waste your time building tech. You get to focus on connecting with people and sharing your story. A funnel is just a pathway someone follows. So from discovering you to becoming a customer. Here's what you need. A domain and simple website, your online home. Lead capture page captures emails with a freebie. Sales page explains your offer clearly. A checkout system like Stripe or System.io. Automated delivery. The product gets sent instantly. Once it's built, this runs 24/7. While you're sleeping, your funnel is still doing the work. If this makes sense, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos. Be sure to grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It goes even deeper into how to set up automation that works while you spend more time with your family. Marketing doesn't have to eat up your life. The secret is to create once and repurpose everywhere. Record a video once, then resize it and reshare it across TikTok, YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. Use YouTube for evergreen content that works for you months or even years after posting. Show up in communities where your audience already hangs out. Be helpful first, then let automation, like scheduled posts, keep you consistent. Add affiliate or referral links so happy customers spread the word for you automatically. This is how you multiply your presence without multiplying your hours. This is where the long-term magic happens. Social media is rented space, but your email list, that's yours forever. Here's how to set it up. Pick an email platform like System.io. Create a lead magnet, something free and valuable. Add opt-in forms to your site, blog, or social bios. Write a nurture sequence. Share your story, give tips, and gradually introduce your offer. Add urgency with testimonials and bonuses. Once it's live, your email system keeps delivering value, building trust, and making sales, even while you're at that ball game cheering your kids on. My work week now looks like this. 30 minutes posting free ads or going live, 30 minutes replying to comments or emails. That's my 2-hour workday. And while I'm away from my laptop, my funnel and my emails are still running in the background. That's how you reclaim your time without giving up on your dreams. So let me ask you, friend, are you ready to stop spinning your wheels and start building a business that gives you your time back? Automation is how you make that shift. You don't need to figure it out alone. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It lays out these steps in detail and gives you the roadmap to build your own 2-hour-a-day business. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video.